Hello. Well, we're fast approaching Christmas, and I hope you are all organised with your Christmas presents or your trips if you're away in your caravan or motorhome. I wanted to share with you a few highs and lows of the year of what's gone on, but also share some exciting news with you about what is coming. So grab a cuppa and let's get going. So the first thing, I'm sure you all know who I am by now. I'm Fliss, aka the Trailer Lady. And I own and run Felicity's driver training, offering confidence building courses for caravanners and motorhomers and commercial trailer users. So we've closed for Christmas now, and I have been a little bit quiet these last few weeks because I have needed a well-earned rest because we have had a mega year. We've helped 45 caravanners, we've helped 10 motorhomers. I've completed 5 horse trailer courses, and they're for horses but also converted horse trailers. And we've helped 2 companies with trailer assessments. And those companies I've been working with for a couple of years now. So I've been working my way through their team of staff. But on top of all of that, we are fast approaching the 1-year anniversary of the launch of the Trailer Lady, the YouTube channel that we put together this time last year. Now, the whole point of the YouTube channel was to offer a learning resource for all our customers that come and do our courses. But it has actually taken off in ways we could never have imagined. We've had people that have been struggling with reversing, and they've been watching the videos over and over and over again and then gone out and mastered it themselves. And that's brilliant because some of these people are at opposite ends to the country to me. So it works wonderfully. I've had a lot of engagement with the YouTube channel as well. So I'm getting a lot of feedback, a lot of questions, a lot of likes as well. So we are really, really chuffed with that. And it's just going to go from strength to strength now. So there'll be more videos coming out next year. And we do want to try and get some more motorhome videos because we are conscious that at the moment it is very caravan orientated. It's leading more towards the caravanners. We've also, me and Andy, been working for Camping and Caravanning Club throughout the year, as we always do, and we attended the February and the October shows. At the February show, I was speaking on the Advice Centre and working on the tow experience, and in October, I was fully committed to the towing experience for the week. We have completed with the club a record number of courses, which is absolutely brilliant. And whilst we've had to say goodbye to a couple of instructors through retirement, we have also welcomed a new instructor in. So the team is evolving, the courses are going from strength to strength, and we are really excited for next year with the Camping and Caravanning Club. And we've also been at the Warner shows. Me and Andy did all of them apart from Norwich this year, and that's because we were on holiday in Germany. Very briefly, we had an absolutely brilliant time in Germany. It was meant to be a 5-week trip, but sadly ended up being a 3-week trip because our Thetford fridge freezer decided that after 11 years and 100,000 miles, it had had enough. So we had to return to the UK to get that replaced. What else have we been doing? Oh, I had tow car. I was doing the testing, and Andy was on the pit crew this year, which was good fun, and hopefully we'll go again in 2025. What else? What else? Oh, I've helped out Motorhome Matt on the on that leisure shop stand at the Warner shows. That was at Lincoln. And I suppose the biggest change for me this year is that I was invited and then accepted onto the NTTA Council, which is the National Trailer Towing Association Council. And I feel very honoured and privileged about that because they are a great organisation that are trying to affect change within the towing industry, trying to improve road safety, trying to improve education, and just the general attitude towards trailers. So I'm really honoured to be part of that. And just a few weeks ago, I completed my level 1 certificate in trailer servicing. So please don't go and ask me to service your caravan or trailer, but I now know more about the workings of it, the mechanics of it, which is what I wanted. And if needs be, I can change a set of brakes, and I can replace a damper in a hitch head as well, which is pretty cool. So what's coming in 2025? Well, first off, 2nd of January, the diary reopens for bookings. So if you're looking to get a course, do get in early because we fill up the spring dates very, very quickly. You'll find more details on our website, www.thetrailerlady.co.uk. The other big thing about the website is we are adding more services and information to it. So the big one is that you will be able to book a 1-hour Zoom call with either Andy or myself to ask us anything you want. So you might be a complete newbie and you just haven't got a clue which way to go. Do you want a caravan, a motorhome? If you're going for a caravan, what car can tow it? Loads of different questions. So rather than relying on some social media channels that might not give you accurate information, you can book a 1-hour Zoom call with us and we will get you started on your journey. But it's also for anything else. If you're struggling with reversing, most of the time we can actually fix a reversing problem over the phone. I know that sounds really mad, but we can do it. So that will be available on the website. I'm also going to be putting on frequently asked questions about our courses, just to help people book more smoothly and answer any initial or general questions that we get. There's also going to be a glossary of terms on there. So that definition of MT, PLM and Miro and nose weight and all these different terms that you hear people talking about in the caravan and motorhome world, there will be a list of definitions for you. And the last thing we're adding to the website, and this is going to be an ongoing thing, is I am going to share with you my little black book. So I am going to be sharing with you the suppliers, dealerships, products, services that I tap into myself and I would recommend to you, my viewers, my customers. So, and that's going to be a lot in East Anglia, but also nationwide, because there's a lot of companies I deal with across the country. So that will be coming throughout the year and will be added to regularly. But I will make mention of that in my other social media posts so that you know when there's a new one been added. So the next thing is the NEC shows. And we'll be kicking off in February with the Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show running from the 18th to the 23rd. You'll find Andy on the Towing Experience, sponsored by Subaru, all week. I, on the other hand, am going to be charging from hall to hall with various things to do. So I'll be starting every day at 11 o'clock on the Advice Centre talking about how to tow. I then have to change shirts, come out of blue and go into red and run through all the halls to make it outside so that I can cover the lunches for the rest of the team. Then at 3 o'clock, thankfully I don't need a costume change, but I've got to then run back inside so that I can speak on the Camping and Caravanning Club stand about how to stay safe when towing and some like hacks just to make life easier and less stressful when you're towing and setting yourself up on a campsite. So yeah, it's going to be a mega busy week, but we're both really looking forward to it. We will be at the October show as well, but it's a bit too early to say what we'll be doing at that show. So what else is in the diary for us next year? The Warner shows. Andy and I will be at every single show working on the general camping fields, as always. So do say hello if you see us. And the weekends of the Warner shows, I'm going to be working with Motorhome Matt and that leisure shop in the trade area. So it's going to be something quite new for me, but I'm really looking forward to it. And I actually start that at the Harrogate show, which is a non-camping event, just a day show, but I will be at that one as well. So as you can see, our diary is absolutely jam-packed, and we haven't even started 2025 yet, but we're excited for it. So all that remains for me to say is to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and to thank you all for your support over this last 12 months. Please remember to click like, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, and then you'll get reminders when a new video is launched. There's so much more coming to this channel in 2025, so you don't want to miss out. I hope to see you all very, very soon. But for now, take care.